CB Plus Color Boost Protector is specially designed to protect and enhance the color of porous concrete pavers and natural stones. It prevents deterioration caused by chemical products such as de-icing salts, while providing resistance to acids and alkalis. Its active agents deeply penetrate the surface to form an invisible bond that stops contaminants, facilitating the maintenance of pavers and natural stones. In the first video, we discussed the importance of cleaning and properly prepping pavers for sealing. If you haven't watched the video, we recommend you do so before watching this one. Now let's discuss how to properly seal those pavers to preserve their beauty and enhance their look. After drying for 24 hours, the surface is ready for a coat of CB Plus Color Boost Sealant. For proper application, the surface temperature must be between 55 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also important that the temperature remains above 55 degrees Fahrenheit for the next 24 hours, and that no rain is forecasted for the next 24 hours. If there is an in-ground sprinkler system, ensure that it is turned off. For this job, you will need the following tools: a leaf blower, a mixing device such as a cordless drill with a paint mixing extension or a wooden paint stirrer. The mixing device is optional, but will provide a quick and easy stir, especially with a 5-gallon container. You will also need a 3/8-inch polyester nap roller and a pump sprayer, or a larger low-pressure airless sprayer, less than 50 psi for treating larger areas. We will review the use of both sprayers in this video. Always test the sealer on a small hidden area to ensure results meet your expectations. Use the leaf blower to remove any loose debris on the surface. Next, shake well or stir product to ensure uniform consistency. Using your spraying device, apply a generous coat of sealant to the point where it starts to slightly puddle on the surface. Then use the roller to evenly spread the sealant across the surface and remove any excess. For an effective operation, this task should be completed by 2 to 3 people. For small areas such as sidewalks, a small handheld pump sprayer like this one is appropriate. However, for larger areas like this driveway, a larger sprayer with a wand applicator will be more efficient for applying the sealant. In all cases, spray the sealant on manageable sections of no more than 100 square feet so that the product does not dry prior to being backrolled. On porous pavers, a second coat may be necessary to obtain a good seal and get the desired look, so apply both coats using the same method. Wait for the first coat to completely penetrate the surface before applying the second coat. When the whole surface has been sealed, we recommend that you prohibit any traffic for 24 hours. As you can see, CB Plus Color Boost greatly enhances the natural colors of your concrete pavers and brings out that rich, matte finish wet look. There's nothing like the beauty and performance of concrete pavers, and you'll be happy you chose Techniseal CB Plus Color Boost, your best choice when sealing concrete pavers.